Hello again, everyone. Today you have the second part of the AT coin video, the RT straight coin, and its main characteristic is that it's round with 2.5 inches, 6.35 centimeters. And in the previous video I explained to you how I thought about doing the circles, and now we are going to see how to make the backgrounds and create the AT coins. This sample is simply based on a gouache color test sheet that I had, and for today's project we are going to use a mixed media sheet from Canson, which I very much like to use, and I am going to use watercolors since I love the transparency that they give, and also gouache to play with textures. While I am working, I explained to you that we are going to work building different layers of colors to have variety to choose the AT coin backgrounds. From what I have read in the comments of other YouTube videos, the original idea is from Joanne from Crafty Houches. I leave you the link of the original video where she explains how she came up with the AT coin idea. And the truth is that it's very fun to me to work in a round format. The difference with the normal ATC is above all the form. The ATC are square and also the size. If you want to know a bit more about the classical ATCs, I leave you below a link to one of the posts of my blog where I did research of the ATCs, its origin, etc. It is all about working with the colors this time, playing with transparency and opacity. Every time I use the white, I'm making the color more opaque, so I give dynamism to the sheet. I do not have a concrete structure this time because it is about having a variety of colors, so in this step it's simply playing with colors and having fun. I'm using a fairly large brush, 20.5, because it gives me a different texture, and I like to work more and more with large brushes lately. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but the details with these brushes, I really love it. Now I am going to give it more texture with a background stem. I will use as a focal point these stickers from the Powder Wall, which is an Etsy store. Now I am going to cut the ATC coins, and I am doing it with this compass that you have the previous video with the test of it, and it seems very interesting to me to use a single tool and not a lot of branches, and the idea this time is to make a triad. I am using this cut circle that is Joanne's idea, and I find it super useful to visualize the final AT coin. And I am looking for the colors that best fit my focal point. As it seemed to me that the AT coin was a little thin, I'm going to add 2 more layers of paper, simply sticking them with glue and adjusting a bit with the scissors and hiding the edges with ink. I am going to use washi tape to give a base to the sticker, and also use the painter's tape because it has a neutral color. I am also going to add a wooden ornament, which I really like to use. To fix everything and give a layer of protection, I will use matte medium, which is a medium that is used with acrylic paint, but also serves to glue elements and protect the project. here it is quite hot and it has dried immediately, but the idea is that for the next steps it has to be completely dry. And I also use the matte medium to stick the embellishment. For the edges, I create a frame with ink. And that's it. I hope you like it. If so, you can subscribe to my channel and give me a like. That makes me super happy. Until next time, ciao!